Let's cheese go.
That's disgusting.
How about it? See you boys later. Coda's dropping his vlog today. Go watch it. We're on our way to go pick up a car right now. Another car. Are you excited for Papa's new car? Yeah? What is it? Why do Japanese always say
R3 に
that?
スカイライン GTR を売った旦那さん、3つ目の240を購入します。気分はどうですか
Nine.
行くよ、ジョシュ。
What are you talking about?
今から何しに行くんですか
そうだね。
楽しみ
ちょっと。
おー
日本語うまいですね。
日本語うまいですね、だって。
そう。
はい、日本語テスト。
日本語テスト。
ジョシュアさん、次はいつ日本に帰る予定ですか
もう一回？
ジョシュアさん、次いつ日本に帰る予定ですか
Why don't I know any of those words at all?
太郎くんは
帰りません。
帰らないの
まだ。
ジョシュアいつ日本帰るのいつ
It's What?
日本
Okay.
帰る
How you doing? I've never heard that word
ど
in
う
my
も
life. Oh. ただいま So what? Go home to Japan? You want to go home to Japan?
I'm asking you, when are you planning on going back to Japan?
3ヶ月 Is that right?
おー、3ヶ月3ヶ月
この
OK
この240はいくらで買ったんですか？
Something about how much 240 is. What? Say that one more time.
今買う240はいくらですか？
60万? I see it. Oh.
Yeah, I have car for the drift with the illuminate on Ford.
これ
Yeah,
これでドリフトするの
so this.
I bought this car for Koda.
So I can
Aw.
drift with him.
What a good friend
I'm gonna hit my own door now.
This is the new car this dude got. This last 5 days ago, they got that one yesterday. It's supporting all the 240s.
Our cars. I'm sorry, I couldn't pass it up. I have a problem. Stop sending me your cars. I will buy them. I literally bought 3 240s in 1 week. I don't know what's happening. Sold the GTR, so I'm gonna hoard 240s now. 240 hoarder. bought another car. This is the homie. He came by. We're gonna give you the
even GTR, bro?
He saw the GTR video. We're gonna cut his head.
12, was it 12?
I have no clue. Let me grab the parts for you real quick.
Oh yeah. Hey, let's hear that horn.
What horn?
Didn't you install that?
Oh yeah. Only in reverse.
Oh, it connects it to reverse?
Yeah, I just connected it to the reverse bulb.
What is that?
My reverse.
No way.
That's tight.
Right here, Jack.
Oh, hell yeah.
I haven't even opened them yet, so you should probably do that.
What is that?
Front grille and then the hood lit. So, dang, you got the GTR headlights too, fool.
You got the tab.
What? You got the tabs for it?
It's way too clean.
It's so clean. I don't want to cut this thing up, but we're gonna do it.
Where
Yeah,
did
you shouldn't be here though. You're gonna be like,
No, my balls are dropping already.
just come back and it'll be done. I don't normally work on people's cars, but that's the close homie, so. You guys,
So nobody hit Josh up.
yeah, please don't ask me if I can work on your car.
Just catch me out. I'll do it.
Coda will do it.
Koda's over here cutting his fenders. Watch his channel for that. 'Cause
Oh yeah,
Film any of
Coda
that.
bought the car off me, guys. Ah,
Aha!
Surprise.
Surprise! Now you know.
now you know. Yeah, Coda's gonna fix this thing all up. He'll have it on his channel. It'll be a full like transformation.
17 minutes.
17-minute transformation.
he has the kit already.
You can't see it, but I have like 10 arms.
If you guys are wondering why I have his gas tank cap, it's because I gotta paint match the hood and the front lip, or the hood lip.
Wait, what's the fun?
He's just gonna bring his car back after I grab the paint.
Dude, Koda, you got how many views on your video already?
10K. I just watched it.
The new one?
Yeah.
No way!
Dude,
Because of you guys. Thank you guys for being such loyal
so okay.
supporters.
How about your other one?
12.7 and first one is 13.3. Almost 11K subs.
I don't think I'll.
Yeah.
You're like less than 100 away
11K.
from 11K.
Yeah.
Keep watching Koda, guys. Keep watching us.
Keep watching.
Don't stop watching us.
My drift cars aren't ready, so that was the first one we needed to finish. This one's next, and then the race car. And then we'll put this one on the back burner after the event. This one, just check out the new drift missile that Coda built in 3 days. Definitely needs wheels.